Here we have the Fitbit Inspire 2, which offers 20 different workouts, heart rate tracking, sleep tracking, and notifications from your phone. The Inspire 2 offers quite a bit, but with so many alternatives on the market, is it worth it? In this video, we're going over key features, seeing who this product would actually be good for, how it compares to the competition, and whether it's worth your hard-earned money. Stay tuned and let's get into the video. If you're familiar with the more affordable Fitbit Inspire HR, you'll notice the new Inspire 2 looks quite similar, but it's slimmer and it looks a little more stylish. It comes with a brighter display, which is great. Previous iterations presented some viewing issues outdoors. The band comes in a variety of colors. The design lets you easily interchange them with a quick release feature. The display is on the smaller side. This is the case especially when you consider the thicker bezels. It's monochromatic, and it offers a variety of watch faces. Overall, it looks a little more elegant. Fitbit removed the physical side button and replaced it with a slight indent that's pressure sensitive where you press it. This change helps with the 50 meters of water resistance. That's 164 feet. The Fitbit Inspire 2 is swimproof with pool tracking. If you're looking for a splash of color on your tracker, the Samsung Galaxy Fit offers similar tracking at the same price, and with a full-color AMOLED display. It's great for seamless integration if you're in their ecosystem. The display's response is actually quite good. You get nice, strong haptic feedback. It only occasionally misses the odd swipe. The interface is quite simple. Accessing information is fairly intuitive with basic swipes up or down as well as squeezing the sides to go back. It does come with 20 different workouts, which covers the popular activities, but it's not as many as some of the more expensive trackers. For most people though, it should do. If you're seriously training or into a specific activity, you may want to consider a fitness tracker that's more specific to that activity. Plus, the smaller display may not give you all the details you're looking for, although you do get some cute little animations. As we said, it's a great fitness tracker for those wanting to be more active, or with those looking for general activity data to help with reaching general fitness and health goals. You'll get your basic details on steps taken, active minutes, heart rate, caloric burn, and your sleep data. The app itself is pretty comprehensive. Everything is nicely laid out and quite easy to navigate with easy and digestible information. Plus, you get a few more setting options for your watch. The active zone minutes is a little different than what is offered from most trackers. What's great is that it will track those minutes differently depending on the intensity. So an hour of casual walking isn't the same as an hour of trail running. The notifications are fairly standard. One good thing is that if you have an Android phone, you can preload simple replies to send directly from your watch. Unfortunately for iOS users, Apple prefers you just get an Apple Watch, but you still get the notifications. The battery life is certainly impressive. It's rated to last up to 10 days, which is a little more than the Samsung Galaxy Fit. But of course, mileage will vary depending on your usage. For us, it delivered closer to 4 to 5 days. There's not a lot of downside to the Inspire 2, provided it meets your needs. Sure, it's not as comprehensive as the more expensive trackers. We didn't expect built-in GPS at this price point. Fitbit pushes its premium paid subscription with personalized workouts and more insights, which is not bad, but it's a little disappointing all the additional insights aren't initially included. So what's the verdict? Well, if you're looking for more advanced tracking with GPS, the Charge 4 is an affordable option, or the Versa 3, which gives you a little more smartwatch features, but both are more expensive. If you're looking for a great fitness tracker that's inexpensive, and you want to stay active with popular activity tracking, and get some great features and tools to help you reach your goals, the Fitbit Inspire 2 is tough to beat, especially when used alongside the Fitbit app. We think you do get a more reliable and dependable performance than many of the cheaper alternatives. So it's really no surprise that Fitbit is one of the industry leaders in this field. The design is quite elegant, the interface is clean and simple to use, and overall, the Fitbit Inspire 2 does a great job doing what it's intended to do.